Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig install on this beautiful water wave hair with a 4x4 lace, transparent lace, and it's 28 inches. Literally 28 inches long. It's from the brand Eullair hair. I had never heard of them before. I ain't gonna lie, I never heard of them before. But this hair though, I'll let you guys know all the information and all the tea about this hair during the video. So without further ado, let's get started with this wig install. So this is what the wig comes in, and you will also receive some goodies, but this is what the wig looks like, and it's a water wave 4x4 lace front wig, and I had already washed it and bleached the knots. This is how it looks on the inside, and you'll also receive 2 wig caps and an edge brush. And before I apply the wig, I am going to be wiping off my forehead with some alcohol so I can remove all the excess oils and for the spray or glue to last and stick on better. I should have did this step before, but I am going to be using some eco gel to do my edges on the side since they'll be more noticeable, and on the front of my edges I'm just gonna slick them back so my hair won't be in the way while I apply the wig. Now I'm just applying the wig cap, and I'm making sure that all of my hair is out the way, and by doing that I'm using the end of this comb right here. This helps so much. And I am going to be adding some foundation on the wig because I feel like it'll match better with my scalp, and it kind of did, but I don't know, I gotta see how it looks when I don't use the foundation. Then I'm cutting this part of the wig because I genuinely do not need it. Like, I have a big head, okay, and that's just gonna be really tight on me if I use it. But this is how the wig looks when I put it on, and as you can see, the foundation did work, but like if you look really close, it kind of looks like a little off. I don't know, so like I said, I need to see how it looks when I don't use the foundation. But now I'm using a wax stick and a hot comb just to move the hair back so the hair doesn't get attached to the spray or lace when I set it. And I am using the Even lace spray, and I love the spray so much. It works just like glue, but not as strong as glue, but you get it. I had added about 4 layers, I believe, and it did last a while, but maybe next time I should add more because I really do have like a greasy forehead, especially during the summer, so I'm gonna have to up the layers more. But besides that, I really do love this spray, and everything that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in the description box. Now I'm cutting off this thick piece of lace that's on the sides of the lace because it's really unnecessary and it makes the wig look not as realistic if you keep them. And now I am putting the lace on the glue. Look how the wig looks and look how the lace looks. It's very blendable into my skin, and I cannot wait to cut the excess off. But now I'm just hot combing my hair again so I can melt the lace and so that the hair won't be in the way while I'm melting. While I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you guys some more information about this wig. And this is 100% human hair. The density can be 150, 180. They support 210 and 250 customization, but this wig is 180. And this wig also comes in 13x5, T-part lace, 13x4, and you can do 5x5 or 4x4. And this is a medium size wig cap. And also real quick, this hair barely sheds. Like, it shed a little bit while I was washing it, but other than that, it was like very minimal shedding. But anyway, this wig cap is big head friendly because it was not tight on my head, thank God, because I get headaches so easily. But now the lace is done being melted. I had let that melt for about 10 to 15 minutes, actually probably 20 because I was eating. Now I'm cutting off the excess lace using a razor instead of eyebrow scissors because I noticed when I use a razor it blends into the scalp way better, and with scissors I noticed like a line, so this works way better. This lace is so good. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's like a really good quality lace, thank God. Now I'm using the even spray just to lay down the excess lace because it kind of got lifted up while I was trimming it off. Now I'm parting my hair in the middle because it's best to part your hair in the middle with this type of style. Since this is a 4x4 lace, you don't want the tracks to be shown. I'm going in with the 𝐿 wax stick again to make sure everything is flat and nothing's gonna stick up or move. Then I'm going in with my heat protecting serum, and this is just gonna help my hair look shiny and it'll help not damage the hair. And I'm going back in again with the hot comb. And also keep in mind, I did add the heat protecting serum before I showed you guys, like after I washed the hair pretty much. It wasn't on camera, but now I'm going to be doing my baby hairs because with this look I'm definitely going to need baby hairs. I did not pre-pluck the wig a little bit more. It says it's pre-plucked, but it wasn't enough for me personally. But it does come pre-plucked, and you can of course pre-pluck the hair if you want to, but I didn't. I'm still learning. So now I'm going in with my edge curler, and this is the best thing I've invested in. I swear it helps with my edges so much. Then I'm going in with this spritz spray, and I'm just going to be using this to lay my edges. And I love this product so much. It works so good. My edges do not move with this stuff, I swear. And I'm using the brush that I received from Eullair hair, and I did the rest off camera so I could focus better. But look at my edges though, like they look so nice. And now I'm going to lay them for about 5 minutes. Then I took that off, and now I'm hot combing again because I really want this wig to look realistic. That's the goal at the end of the day. But oh my gosh, I can't believe I did my edges like that. They look extra nice in this video. But anyway, yeah, I had over bleached the knots, so I am using waterproof mascara and concealer for the middle part to fix that. Now I'm ready to do the actual hair, and first I'm just going to be wetting my hair, and I'm going to be using the Locking and Coconut Curls Descended Creamy Mousse with coconut oil and shea butter from OGX. And this was my first time trying this mousse, and y'all, it works so freaking good. It makes the curls, the waves look so shiny. It gives like a genuine wet look. They absorb this product so well, and on top of that, it was only $7. So I highly recommend this mousse, like for real. I'm going to be using this a lot, and it comes in 7.9 ounces. Also added Eco Styling Gel with the mousse, and it just gave such a beautiful wet look. This is how my hair looks. Well, the hair looks. It looks like my hair. It blends into the scalp so well. And this is a 28-inch 4x4 lace front wig. And if you guys want to know my final thoughts about this wig, then stay tuned towards the end of this video. And this is the final look of this wig. I love it so much. I love how the water wave pattern is, and the hair is not automatically frizzing up. It's actually absorbing the product that I put in it with the baby hairs. But I'm getting better and better each time I do my wigs. Besides that, I really love the pattern, and I really love how it's absorbing the product. I like how it goes all the way down to like kind of in the middle of my butt. I'm definitely going to be wearing this wig during the summer. I just love how it feels lightweight on me, and for it to be 180 density, it's not like a heavy type of feeling. Make sure you guys go check out Eullair hair. I leave their website and the wig and all the products I used in this video linked down below. Like this video and subscribe to see more hair content from me, beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, any girly content. I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see see you guys in my next video.